Dave here, and in this list leverage video I want to show you how your click cash grows. Again, this is day 3, and already it's gone up by it's gone up now to 60 cents, which is it's growing, because obviously my list size with this leverage is not that big at the moment, but it is growing, and I have had leads in yesterday as well, so you can see how well that works and grows. And literally all that is doing, the click cash, just to remind you, is when you send out links, when you send out emails, broadcast messages, or emails within your autoresponder, whether that's SendSharp, Aweber, or GetResponse, and that contains links in for either an opportunity or an offer that you want people to join. When they click on that link and then they decide for whatever reason not to join the offer, you still get paid. So that's how that grows. This is day 3 of it now, or day 4, I can't remember exactly, but it's certainly early days, but it's growing, and that's the most important thing. So all you've got to remember to do is to grow your email list, and then this is what happens: you earn money from emailings. So that's how that works. Now don't forget, if you want to start your own list leverage system, all you've got to do is click on the link beneath this video. You can read a review on list leverage on my blog, which again, all the links for relative to list leverage will be placed beneath this video. But don't forget to comment, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified of every video that is uploaded to this channel. Thanks for watching.